What is up, tubers? FJ tubers. Okay, a lot going on today. I got a review for a mod that I'm working on that hopefully I can wrap up tonight. But in the meantime, Amazon delivered a new toy to me for a new mod. So let me show you what we're doing today. Everybody knows these things, right? These are the attachments for mounting stuff to your roof rack bar. And with these, you get 2 of these and you get a bunch of these rubber inserts that go into the center of this to adjust for the radius of whether you're mounting this on a side-by-side or a ute or a truck or a bull bar or whatever. But for me and us, mounting on the FJ Cruiser roof rack, that roof rack is 1.75 inches. This is a 2-inch opening, so we use the thinnest of the two. Now, I can hear y'all wanting to know right now, what the hell are you gonna mount on there, Fjester? All right, so I first ordered one of these in 1/4 inch, wrong size. I tried to return it and they would not let me return it, or I've not heard back from them. But I'm not going to push it, and I'll tell you why in a minute. But what is this? This is a Tusk quick release 5/16 inch flag holder in black. Yeah, so now you're going, ooh, I know where you're going with this now, Fjester. And it comes with instructions, I guess, which men don't need. Sticker, I can go inside my cargo box. And this is the flag holder quick release made by Tusk. It says Tusk on there, but we'll probably spray paint that off because we don't advertise people unless they donate to me and my fund. So this is going to mount, let's see, how can I describe this? Because I already know what we're up against. This is going to mount on here through the hole, which is too small from the factory, but we can drill that out in no time. And it's going to mount like that. And we're going to mount this on the inside of our roof rack. So our roof rack's running along the side this way. And then, ta-da, if you're kneeling, please stand up. This is going to go inside there like that. And this closes down by hand, tight, and that will not pull out. It's not on by hand yet. And it'll go tighter. And I will show you as we get that. Here you go, that's mounted right there. So you can have a little bit of wood sticking out of the bottom. He said wood sticking out of the bottom. It'll go like that. So I will have my flag. And these you can buy for about $1 a piece at Home Depot and the craft stores. I've got one mounted on my motorcycle, and I got the itch for doing this from Michelle, my friend from Houston that I used to ride Harleys with. We used to skydive with. She's got one of these on her motorcycle, and while we were at Sturgis, I really liked it. And I thought she got more respect for just having that on there. So anyways, that'll go like that. And this allows me to put a sand flag when we go into the sand dunes. So Sand Hollow, south of here, about 2 hours in Utah. And then there's sand stuff in Colorado and Nevada. And wherever I might find myself in. So the reason why I'm probably gonna keep this is because I did notice yesterday when I was at Wally World that they had some cheap $5 sand flags that you'd mount on a bicycle or an ATV side by side, and it was a 1/4 inch diameter. So I may need that, but for right now, let's go put this on the truck, man. What do you think? Yeah, let's go do it. How does this go? How does this go? I guess it don't matter. I guess it really don't matter, but we're gonna put the lock washer on top. How's that? All right, we're gonna go with the flat washer on the bottom, lock washer on top, and then the nut. That's it. That's it. Now let's mount it. You know, I'm gonna put you right there in the back. Almost as far back as we might be able to go. Damn it. I hate when that happens. I hate when that happens. I got the type of floor that makes it hard to find shit on. But these are stainless steel screws, which is good. They won't rust. Now, let's see about getting that thing level. And square left to right. Damn good. Damn good. That looks damn near professional. Boom, boom, like that. Tighten the tusk down. And that's it. That's what we were after. All right, man. That's Old Glory. Give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and we'll see you next time.